I'm getting this all though. It's an old abandoned office space. Got some old markers, expo, vaccination and warming schedule. I bet that's got mercury in it. Little meese in there. Oh, danger, danger. That was a lot cleaner than I thought that was going to be. Look at the old telephone. Hello, it's your mom's house. Got him. Let's see, fan on, heat, turn it to cool. What you talking about, son? That little dial's messed up. I have got a spider web on me. Goodness gracious, something fierce. Phone dial. Yeah, put this peel back. Not a buff. Spider web. It's disappeared somewhere. Feel it. Okay. Checking here. Just looking here.
Where you saw me and we're stuck.
Hello. Yep, it's electrical. Big old generator.
So it looks like they had coverings over the chicken wire,
Yeah.
but
This one was free. Not anymore.
do you like? I feel like wouldn't it be better if it didn't have the coverings?
Well, for rain and stuff, especially the ones over there, these are fine. But
I guess.
is that really how like they fed them and gave them water or whatever?
I would imagine so. If it comes out at the bottom,
Yeah.
I bet they had bowls or something that would catch it.
Yeah.
That's where all their poop went.
Mhm.
I'm not gonna lie, it's not as disgusting as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, I was expecting to see at least one animal carcass out here. Well, I mean, we got 3 other ones to go through, but
I was not expecting animal carcasses. I was expecting poop and foul smells.
Mm.
And so far, like you said, in this barn,
yeah.
it's really not that bad. Now I'm not one to be under these facilities.
Hello.
But
Yeah. That's where we just were.
yeah. See, but like these ones are creepy to me because
Yeah,
there's
there's-
so much less light.
Yeah. There's a fire extinguisher. At least I kept the pig safe.
With one fire extinguisher?
Yeah. Halogen bulb. My light goes out. Shit.
It is
There's
not
a.
in the best condition, but
It's not, but it's not as bad as.
this one, I'm wondering if this is one of the better barns from the way that Kevin described them.
Oh, hell, another one. Just keeps on going.
It really does. This is a shit ton of pigs. Even if we just filled up.
Dude, for real.
Look, 51.
Yeah, there's a 51 in the other one. I think there's at least 50.
In each row.
Yeah. Well, no, because that's. Oh yeah,
That says
never mind. Yeah,
50, yeah. So,
50 pigs per one, so that's 51, 102. That's 153,
Yeah.
204. 204 pigs just in there. That's crazy.
No wonder Kevin was saying 10 head a day.
Yeah,
I mean, you,
10 head as in dispatch.
as in,
Oh, Ricky's been in here.
been killed.
Yeah, I know.
See, like, it. This isn't as creepy to me.
Yeah, it's more open.
Now, those pigs are probably going to be safer from the elements, right?
Yeah.
But I don't know. I feel like they should have some sort of sunlight.
Yeah, I agree.
I mean, surely that's why there's 75 acres, right?
Yeah.
So,
You in there? Okay.
these weren't numbered. Why are these not numbered? Oh, yes, they are.
Oh, they're remembered.
805.
Damn. This one, I imagine there's well over.
Yeah, let's go.
You're good.
C 50.
Yeah, 52, 54. Hello, hello.
And there's a whole other row.
This is 61, 62. There's a door right here.
It says exit though. Is it like an actual?
Just another one.